Cybertruck, show us your secrets. Well, there is a lot going on here.
Here's a cabin filter or something. Great.
Did it just explode in your hand?
Yes.
Welcome to Hoovies Garage, the dumbest automotive channel in all of YouTube. And this is my latest purchase, a 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. And I brought it home just about a week ago. And so far, it has been an awesome experience. I'm feeling a little less stupid buying this thing, still pretty stupid, but a little less stupid now because it has been so fun. And this does get a ton of attention. Not that I really care about that, but it gets more attention than anything else in my garage, even the Countach, but that'll all die out here in a few months as they ramp up production, and these will be everywhere, and they'll start depreciating, and I'll feel a lot more stupid. But one big plus is my kids love this thing. My 11-year-old daughter thinks Teslas are the coolest cars ever, and this is King Tesla right here. She wishes my Escalade would get sucked up in a tornado with all the recent ones in Kansas and surrounding areas. She's been hoping for that, but she loves this. So does my 4-year-old son. He thinks it is a Transformer, real life, in person. They can watch YouTube in the back with the rear infotainment. They love this thing. So that's a big plus, but there is one person that I really value when it comes to his opinion and hope that he likes it, and that is my mechanic, the Car Wizard. So we're going to take it up today and have him do a thorough look over of my Cybertruck, but I also have an issue for him to look at